Good morning, YouTube. It is Saturday, August 13th, 2016. I was looking out my window and I saw a hawk fill up the whole window. He was preying on the sparrows, I think, my bird feeder. I'm trying to sneak up on him, get some footage. He's huge. I'm going to say the tail feathers are at least a foot long. There he goes. Wow, beautiful. Nice soupy sky today. It's 74 degrees with a dew point of 75, or vice versa. 75 with a dew point 74, excuse me. Yeah, morning glories. I don't know whatever happened to my cantaloupes. They might be a lost cause, but I just wanted to catch that hawk. You don't see that every day. Oh, there's a squirrel. I'm pretty sure he was after one of my guys, one of my little sparrows or squirrels that hit the feeder here. Anyway, pretty cool. Alright, so I followed the hawk out to the alley. I've lived here 16 years and never seen one here. We used to have real big owls. And back in 2004, they pretty much killed every bird here with their sprays. Poor little pine tree. Anyway, probably won't put this up, but it was fun for me. Have a nice one.